Hey guys, so I gotta be a little bit quiet today, but today we're doing portrait photography of myself and I'm going to be doing it with an iPhone and that's all I'm using. So I hope you guys enjoy this. I'm not going to go over every single detail of what I do, but I am going to show you my vision and how I see the shot, and hopefully it comes out the way it does. But make sure you go on your iPhone if you do have one and turn on the RAW function because you want all the room to be able to edit this in post later. Well, let's get to it. Alright guys, so the first location is actually this wall. I'm going to use this wall and try to just sit up against it and try to see if I can take a portrait photography of myself sitting up against it. I'm not sure how it's going to turn out, but I'm going to use this tripod that I have with me today and hopefully I can take something pretty epic. Yeah, let's get to it. So again, don't forget to set your settings to RAW. So the iPhone now detects that your phone is in night mode, so it's going to go into a setting, and I'm going to show you somewhere on the screen here that it has night mode on. Now you can turn this off by actually clicking on it and then just moving the slider all the way to off. But what that's going to do is it's going to make the actual footage a little bit more darker. I would highly recommend you to turn it on at 2 seconds so then you can actually get some type of footage. Again, I have to be really quiet because I don't want to get a noise complaint. So yeah, let's just do this real quick.
We were undiscovered, didn't care for one another, you and I thought I was okay.
Alright, so I think the photos came out somewhat decent. We'll see how it turns out in post. But yeah, let's keep going down and I'm just going to find like different areas. Also, I totally forgot to mention that, sorry if the focus is not good, 1, and 2, the audio here kind of sucks today because I forgot my lav mic and my actual shotgun mic. So this is straight through the camera, it's a little windy, probably gonna hear some noise, so just FYI. Alright, so I found this vending machine. These are everywhere in Japan, and what I'm actually gonna do is I'm gonna set my camera somewhere around here, and then I'm gonna have the light from the vending machine hit my face, so it's gonna be side lit on this side. It's gonna probably cast a little bit of shadow on my left hand side of my face, hopefully turn into somewhat of a good photo. I'm not sure. It might actually just look like I'm just really thirsty for a drink, but that's also probably true. Alright, so I set my camera up. I put the exposure down a little bit on here because I don't want this vending machine to overexpose my face, so I just kind of went in there, tapped it. You know, a little exposure symbol, the little sun symbol, you just drag that down and then it's going to dim that light a little bit. So I'm just going to take a photo of myself right now. I think I've got a few shots. Some of them were trial and error. It was kind of embarrassing. But yeah, let's move on to the next location.
A waste of time. Somehow you intruded. Lost in your illusions. I was fine.
So when you are in a situation where you're kind of around no light at all, you should try to purchase one of these mini LEDs, because if you do, you can do stuff like this and light yourself up, and now you can see me. If you haven't seen my latest video, I'll link it up here, or I think it's here or here. I forgot which one it was, but I'll link it up there and you can purchase one of these lights because I did a review on it and it's pretty awesome. So I'm putting it to the test today as well. I'm actually going to move over to a different place because I think this person's asleep and it's someone's house. Alright, so there is a street lamp here and I'm actually going to silhouette myself. So you're going to see a shadow of me when I take this photo, but I have to use my camera so I can kind of get the focus and where I want to stand. So you're not going to see this part, but anyways, I have to talk really quiet because, you know, there's people sleeping. But yeah, let's take another photo. I'm kind of like in the groove right now, but maybe walk down this way a little bit. Let's go. Shit, I forgot my bag. Let's go.
You got me high, but I'm so
Alright, so real quick, I think I'm going to take a photo right here where I'm kind of like hands over the rails, kind of looking that way. So I'm going to try to do that shot real quick. I'm like literally right in front of another person's apartment, so I'm going to try to get this shot real quick before I wake anybody up. Alright.
something more than friends. In the end,
got the shot. Let's get the hell out of here. Alright guys, I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, smash the like button, turn on those notifications for future videos. And today's video is not really too much of a tutorial, but hopefully you guys got some inspiration. Take some photography at night with your iPhone or Android phone. Alright, well anyways, catch you next time. Peace.